Welcome back to another video, guys. This is Miggy, the fishing dog. Today we're on a tiny creek micro fishing adventure. These are our roots, aren't they?
Yeah.
She's gone now. This is what we love doing. It's kind of what we started doing, getting down into tiny rivers, tiny creeks, wading, throwing small baits and just picking off multi-species. There's a lot to be found in these rivers. Some of the baits that we're going to be using, as I say, tiny crankbaits. I think this is a Rapala UL crank. We've got some Rebel craws. This is the Rebel crawfish. This will come in handy a lot because a lot of these creek fish are feeding on crawdads. It's a big part of their diet. Tiny frogs, tiny Rebel frogs. These are all really
awesome, man. I wish I kind of picked one of them up now.
Yeah.
They're wicked.
I think it's like a leopard frog. Rebel craws. Sorry, Rebel lures. If you can find them online, they do some really great tiny crankbaits.
Yeah, they're a little bit more pricey, but they are worth it. They work really well.
Very well. And then we got some Walmart picks. We've got the tricolor swirltail. It's kind of like a grub. That'll be thrown on an Eagle Claw 1/16 ounce jig head.
That'd be good. Still
Really small baits, and then some kind of minnow imitations. So we got Crazy Fish. This is a 2.2 inch bait.
Are we calling that a micro lure?
That's a bit of a bigger lure. This is a 3-inch shiner. So if there are any deep pockets and I feel like there's going to be any bigger fish, I will throw that on a jig head. That's kind of what I'm going to be running. This is the rod I use about 85% of the time I'm fishing. This is a medium light rod. I believe I think it's 6 foot or something, or just above 6 foot.
Yeah.
I think it's a bit taller than me. I'm 6'2". It is a fast action medium light spinning rod. It throws 4 to 14 grams of weight. Bit of a heavier reel on here. I go for the 2500 Shimano Sedona with, what braid do I have on here? I think I have like 15 pound mainline braid with a 12 pound fluorocarbon leader. And it seems to work well. It's a nice light rod. It's reliable. I have snapped the tip multiple times. I think this is the third or fourth
now
tip that I've had to replace. So it's a bit cursed, but it's caught me a lot of good fish.
So I'm going to be running primarily 5 lures. This is a eBay special on a little Savage Gear 2 gram head. I'm not even sure where I got these. I think I got these from Angling Direct again on a 2 gram head. This is a Salmo minnow. We used to fish these all the time, like religiously. This is all we'd kind of use, but we've moved on to better things, I think. This I picked up in, I want to say, Germany. Tiny little crankbait in a rainbow trout pattern. Absolutely awesome lure. And when the fish aren't biting as well, if they don't want stuff say this size, I can put this in, twitch it across the surface, and chub will absolutely smash it. And then Old Faithful. I think this is by far the best ultralight crankbait that's been made. It's the Hester Small Fry. This one's been battered, it's been repainted. I've got 2 or 3 of them in different patterns, but I think this is going to get it done. If this dives too deep, I'll switch over to this, but this is going to be my primary lure for the day because this gets it done. So I'm going to be running this is a slightly modified Abu Garcia Devil Spinning Rod. These are about £32.50. The value for money from Abu Garcia in this rod is ridiculous. I've pulled in a £10 carp on this, a £16 pike, It is an absolutely ridiculous rod. Running Daiwa J-Braid at £9 onto a fluorocarbon leader. I believe this is £12, give me a little bit more strength. A couple of swivels and quick clips, and then onto the Dynamite 1000 reel. This is a fantastic reel. You can't really get hold of these. I bought this off a guy on eBay who gets sent loads of stuff, so I got an absolute deal on it. But it is a fantastic reel. So this is what we're going to get it done today.
And that's the setup. That's what we're running.
Yeah.
Now let's get down to the creek. Stay there, stay there. Gack. Okay. We're all good. We're all good. All right, so just gonna be casting underneath this bridge. See what's what. Oh, had a bite. You move over a bit. So I'm throwing a swim bait on a jig head right now. Probably going to be some instant bites. I mean, we did come here the other day and we had over 10 fish between us, I think. I'm going for the curly tail grub now. It's like a two-tone pattern. It's a bit brighter, the water's a bit muddier, so maybe it'll get seen a bit better. So that's what I'm going for. We also, like I say, we did fish this the other day a lot, and I did use that minnow that I was using a lot, so maybe they're still a bit cautious to bite. So if I give them something else. Yeah, got one. Got one. Bait change. Whoa.
Stick.
Wow. I absolutely thought that was a fish. That was weird. I mean, maybe, I don't know, maybe it was. I don't know, that was so weird. Yeah,
There we go. There we go.
you got one.
Dinky little perch. Come here, mate. Let's get that out of you.
You're just straight retrieving yours.
No, I'm
Yeah, I got one. Got one.
Yeah?
Got one as well.
you doubled up.
Yeah, doubled up.
Yes! Yes, dude.
Tiny ones.
It's obviously a big shoal of them down there.
They're kind of like exactly the same.
Yeah, they are, yeah.
Really, really beautiful pattern on it.
These are all
Untouched. Yeah, never been caught. So that's the first species on the list, and it's a perch. So yeah, let's get him back.
Yeah, this is a... Dude, how fast they dart off.
Oh no, yeah. Oh, there's got to be more in there. We caught loads of them the other day.
Yeah. It's
Ooh.
mad that we hooked into on each at the exact same time.
Yeah, got one.
Yeah?
Got one.
There you go. There
Another
it is.
perch. This is a bit of a bigger one.
It's got a bit more size on it.
There he is. Another perch.
Good size, man.
Yeah.
I mean, not a good size,
But they're so much fun, you know, catching these tiny, tiny creek fish.
I almost enjoy, you know, catching the quantity over the quality.
Yeah.
I know, you don't know yet.
got one. I don't know what that is. It's another perch. Another perch. There's a pretty one. Pretty little perch. Again, you know, don't get caught often. Such a cool fish. So, get him back. Let Jamie get his cast off. And as you can see, up here, we are right underneath a main road. And there's just, you know, again, another example of honey holes that fish will survive. Oh wow, that was right at the back. Oh, I think I got a hit. I didn't get one over. There we go. Yeah, got one. Yeah. I let that just sink. And that's the biggest one of the, wow.
There you go.
Wow, that's the biggest, oh.
There you go.
Oh, he's gone, he's gone. Fuck, I always choke on big perch, man. Every time. He got away. I guess it's see you later, Stinky. Oh well, yeah, he felt, definitely felt bigger. We didn't catch it. We didn't catch one that size last time, did we? I wonder if there's any just on the right side there. It all seems to be perch, but yeah, got one.
Yeah?
Got one.
There you go.
Tiny one. There's another one. Lovely, lovely condition. Get him back. See you later. See if there's any more over there. 2 for 2. Yep, got one. Whoa. Oh, that's a chub.
Oh!
We got a new species. We got a new species, baby. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna bring my rod over here so you can see this. I don't want to drop him. Wow, he's got like a red eye. Ah.
Yeah.
He's gone. He's gone. Sorry, guys. Those little ones are hard to handle. Is that a chub? Oh wow. Nice, man. Nice perch. That's a nice. Whoa! Didn't realise it went down there. That's a lovely perch. Good size for every time. All right, so we're going to go through the other side and hopefully hit those fish from a different angle. Hit them from the bank. Oh. Yeah, bit of a euphemism there. I'd say even go down stream a bit more. Very skinny water. Very skinny back here. Oh, here we go. Yeah, I got one. Perch, that's quite a nice one as well. Perch seemed to be the shit. My camera was all messed up then. Wow, no way, no way. Get him in, dude. No way. Jay always does this, man. There's my fish. But Jamie's fish. Let me just chuck mine back.
that.
That is a,
Look at the thing on his side.
yeah,
Bit him.
that's a creek slab. That might not seem that big, but for
this water,
Oh.
skinny water.
man, what a catch. And this goes to show, you find these places, you would never think that a perch of that size is living in a creek this size, under a road. Probably, again, we say it all the time, never been caught before. That's an awesome fish, Jay. That's like, that would make my day right there. That's why we do it. Catching fish like that. And look at the size of it, this water's so skinny.
Ready?
Here you go. Dude, well done. Well done, what a catch.
Slime.
That was awesome stuff.
There we go. Another little torpedo of a fish. I think he's just shat himself in my hand as well, so. But he's gone back okay. Can we go 3 for 3? Can we get another one? That's got to be a fish. No? Yes! There we go. Another little chub. This one's a little bigger than the last one. Nice. Nice fish. Now James is getting on.
I mean, this is beginning to turn into a jungle. Like, you're starting to question, why am I even carrying on? Looking for a big payoff. Oh man, what a mess. All I'm seeing is mink and fucking dead pigeons. I think it's raining now as well. Huge oak tree that's come down. I'm starting to lose faith in this river. It's quite a drop. Quite a drop. That probably spooked all the fish. Right, I'll make a beeline to this bank. Get out the water, stop spooking everything. And if it's no good, I'm calling it. And we caught some fish, so. There's another blockage there. This is turning into like just some stupid like assault course.
Start it up.
There we go. Dinky little perch. Bigger than those small ones, but not quite as big. Actually, he's not bad. Absolutely slaying it today, guys. Oh yeah. Yeah, got to be fishing here, mate. Got to be one in here somewhere. There we go. Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. He came in and absolutely nailed it. I'm just going to put this down for him. Wicked, wicked brown trout. He was sat right down there waiting, and it's landed in front of him, and he came out and smashed it. There's one. Don't even know how that's hooked in there. Looks like it's hooked in backwards. There we go. There we go. I'm just gonna get my hands up. Look at that, guys. Just angle you down a bit. Fantastic, fantastic fish. Mint condition brown trout. Awesome. Oh, he's going, he's going. We'll get him back anyway. Get him back. He's gone. Darted off to the other side of the bank. That is awesome. What are you doing?
I'm just defeated, man. I've walked for about an hour through, for lack of better words, over blockages, under trees, through bushes. I've been stung, scratched, and I got nothing out of it.
You didn't catch anything?
No, I didn't catch a damn thing.
You know what that means? It's I won.
Okay, you take the W. I never want to go down there again.
Yeah.
It's just full of nightmares.
Well, up there is where I think all the fish are. Dude, there's a massive spider on you.
Yeah, I'm not surprised.
Massive spider.
Full of bugs. I saw a mink.
Did you?
Saw a mink come out of a pipe down there.
Yeah.
Swam into the water and he was messing with something on the bank.
Yeah.
Over the side, and when I finally got to it, it was a pigeon, still alive. He's like chewed half his wing off and his face off.
Jesus Christ.
The pigeon was still alive, and he like was scurrying through the woods. There was like all flies and stuff all over him.
Did you put him out of his misery or no?
No, I didn't want to. He looked really like mangy.
Ooh.
I didn't want to touch him, but half his face has been chewed off.
Jesus.
So he's probably being eaten now.
Those minks, man, they're no joke.
Yeah. So this is the end of the video.
This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm covered in bugs as well. Thanks for watching. It's been awesome.
Yeah.
Jay takes the W again. Better angler or?
I'm defeated.
Yeah,
Don't know about a better angler.
Well, I've caught more fish and you've had an awful time and I've had a great time.
On this occasion, maybe we need to get on the kayaks.
I was saying to them down there that this isn't really James's style of fishing. He just loves the kayak.
Yeah, I don't mind wading. I quite like it, but when it's like close quarters like this, and like you can't, it's very
tough.
tight to get a cast out.
Yeah.
There's trees and bushes and everything's overhanging and blockages to climb over. I get frustrated quickly.
Yeah.
So
Because you're a bad angler.
Well,
You're a second-rate fisherman.
we'll leave that up to the audience.
Well, the score will, you know,
Yeah.
show for itself. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I've had a good time. I don't think James has. Thanks for watching this video. We've been Out There Adventures, and you guys have been awesome. See you next time.